AGEN stock analysis and AGEN stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Agenus, I'm looking to take it further up, you know, with a 15% increase in price. That's how my chart's looking like. I began trying to be bullish on this way back then, man, like way before we're today, like at $6. It was $2 at the time. He's looking like 227, right? And only a month ago. So all that to say, there's like obviously no question about the fact that I'm still looking to double down. You can see the demand area got respected pretty beautifully, but I was not behind here to double down. You know, I pretty much I bended the ticker, and I don't know why didn't I sell alerts. But moving forward, here's that break that we got. Here's the top, and the way that I'm looking to double down this is quite simple. If I do see it giving me more confirmations, then I guess then I'm buying. Other than that, randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So let's pull it out here. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K from my trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.